It's a nightmare scenario.
It is. It's a nightmare scenario.
A complete nightmare. You're a pedestrian and you get hit by a car.
Yeah, what happens after you get out of the hospital? Lawyer Twillie, the founding attorney at LA Law, is here with some legal advice. Good morning.
Good morning.
It's not a good scenario.
No.
Not cool.
Not cool.
So it sounds like what happened is this person, after the snowstorm, was walking across the street and got hit by a car.
Oh,
and they're
God.
uninsured.
And who?
The
car. The car
was
is uninsured.
Yeah.
Then what happens?
Yeah.
Okay, so real quick, because obviously we have pedestrian laws like walkways, sidewalks, those kinds of things. Does that all come into play?
Technically, yes, but in the real world, it usually doesn't in a situation like this. I've seen situations where guys wearing all black clothing at night crossing a road gets hit, and you know, insurance company will pay.
Right.
But in this particular situation, I think, you know, you're in the crosswalk, a car makes a turn.
All the right
You're
things.
doing all the right things, you get hit, and they don't have insurance. So they're doing all the wrong things. So really what you need to do is you need to let your bills come in, and you need to try and access your own car insurance and utilize what's called uninsured.
Car insurance.
Car insurance.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you're a pedestrian, you're going to access your own car insurance.
Correct.
So not your medical insurance?
No.
Okay.
You're going to go to your car insurance first, and you're going to say, hey, do I have MedPay coverage as a part of my coverages for my car insurance? Then you're going to utilize that. There's a good chance that you will have it. If you don't have MedPay insurance, you should get that on your car insurance. It's really cheap.
Oh.
Yeah, that's a good thing to know. I didn't even know anything about this.
Yeah, especially with the high deductible plans that most of us have these days. Yeah. If you're involved in a car crash and you have medical payments coverage, that will essentially take care of your deductible if you have the right amount of coverage.
What's it called again?
Medical payments coverage.
Medical payments coverage.
Under your car insurance.
Under your car insurance.
And what happens to the guy who hit me?
Well, you know, if the police are involved, they're going to get a ticket. Right,
yeah.
So you're going to be considered a victim of a crime because they didn't have insurance and you got hurt, and you can petition the court that they pay you restitution.
I was going to say, does that then go to trial or go through the court system?
Probably not. Probably not. But the criminal part will go through the court system.
Right.
But the injury part probably won't. Because it's your own car insurance that you're dealing with.
Right. But if they get fined or whatever, that doesn't go back to the actual victim?
It will. Actually, and so that's why you petition the court. You show up to court as a victim. The court will appoint a victim's advocate for you.
I got to be honest, lawyer. I don't know how to petition a court.
You probably have to file paperwork through your lawyer.
Well, that's it.
Can I hire you to do this?
Hire me. Hire me.
Okay.
We'll walk you through it and do everything.
Petitioning a court seems a little bit above my pay grade. Right. I got to be honest with you.
Yeah. You don't want to do that. Actually, I was talking to somebody the other day, and they were just exhausted of being on the phone with the insurance companies and having to deal with it. And it's just like, you know what?
That's why you have to hire somebody to just do it for you, yeah.
Correct. Because it's a lot of time, effort, and if you make a mistake, it can be costly.
Yeah. Oh my goodness gracious, that's unbelievable. All right, so call you and
give us a call,
and we're good.
844-GET-LA.
And be careful in those crosswalks.
That's it.
Right.
Just because you're in a crosswalk doesn't mean that a car that's approaching sees you.
That's very true.
Or they're paying attention, because these days a lot of people are doing this.
It's so scary. I know.
It's just unbelievable. You got to be looking both ways, and upsides and downways.
Yep.
All right, get in touch with Lawyer Twillie. There's the number, 860-595-3163. You can get in touch with LALawCT.com or lawyer@LALawCT.com. Lawyer, we can't thank you enough.
Thanks for having me.
Information.
It's great to see you guys.
Yeah. You too.
And happy early birthday.
Thank you. Get a piece of cake.
Yeah, get a piece of cake. I got to go call my insurance company now.
Same.
All right, Lauren, take it away.